Here's a pair of Sony headphones, model number WH-CH520. I'm going to show you how to pair and connect these directly to a Windows computer, PC, or laptop via Bluetooth. First thing is go to your settings. One way to do it, if you go down to search down here, and then we want to type in Bluetooth. And I can see Bluetooth up here. It says Bluetooth and other devices settings under system settings. Okay, so that's what we want, Bluetooth right there. Now from here, make sure Bluetooth is toggled on, and then we want to tap up here. It says add Bluetooth or other device. Okay, so we're going to select that right there. And then from here, the top one, it says Bluetooth. Okay, it says mice, keyboards, pens, or audio or other kinds of Bluetooth devices. So that's what we want. We want the first one here. Okay, so we're going to go to Bluetooth here. We're going to select that. And now you can see it's kind of searching for devices that are in pairing mode near me. So now we got to put these in a pairing mode. Now if we look on one of the ear cups here, we have three buttons here. Okay, we have a volume up, power/Bluetooth, volume down. We'll know that these are in pairing mode when it's blinking blue, 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 blue. Okay, these are just blinking blue, blue. I think it's connected to a different device, but let's put this in a pairing mode. So power button here, press and hold. Okay, ready, set, go. Just press and hold and just keep holding. Doesn't matter if it was off or on. Just keep holding till it's blinking blue, blue. Still holding here. Blue, 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 blue. There we go. Now it's in pairing mode. And now we just have to wait for it to find it, and it just popped up right there, the WH-CH520 right there. I'm going to go ahead and select on that. It says connecting. Device is ready to go. It's a connected voice music. I'm going to go ahead and select on done right down here. And you can see on the down here, if I scroll down a little bit under audio, oops. Okay, so again, you can see under audio down here, the WH-CH520, you can see that it says connected. Okay, so we're connected here. We're ready to go. Now, if you had issues where you couldn't connect, you had problems pairing, you can always reset these as well. If you need to do that, look in the link in the description below.